how to insert an inline picture or a picture in your email message content on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the email app. Next, you can reply back to a message or you can compose a new email. Now in here, go to your message body, and then to insert an inline image, tap on the image button here in the toolbar at the bottom, and then select gallery. In your gallery, select a picture. Now with this picture, with this image, you can also resize it. So tapping on one of the handles to resize the image. So you can make it taller or shorter. Dragging on the corner will allow you to keep the same ratio or perspective of the image. And then after that, you can go down to your message and you can continue to insert more inline pictures. If you do not want to insert an inline pictures, you can use the attachment button instead. So with the inline, the image is actually inserted into your message content. And if you want to send it as an attachment, you can just tap on the attach button, and here you can select the image to attach. So that will attach at the bottom of the email, so the image does not display within your text. And if they want to view the image, they can tap on the link to open up the image. And that's it. That is how you can insert an inline image into your email content on the Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.